arriving, no, in Caticlan past 10 p.m. tonight. So this area, makita mo yung mga ilaw na yan, that is Boracay, no? That is Boracay. We'll be landing in Caticlan area. Yung medyo maraming ilaw, that's Boracay. Boracay. So ito yung facilities, no, ng ferry. We're on board Starlight Ferry. Mga sasakyan na sa ilalim. So the CR, yung may CR nila is clean. Malinis naman yung CR. Let us see. Nandito yung warning. Notice to passengers, the vehicle okay, dyan, ready na nila. Ready nila. Okay. In a few minutes, we'll be reaching the port of Caticlan in Malay, Aklan. Gabi, no? Supposedly, kung nahabol namin alas 2, 6 o'clock yung dating namin. But, yun, no? Ito yung business class nila. Dito kami. Okay. Aircon. Aircon yung facilities here. Aircon facilities, no? Business class.